Chicago's first choice for hip hop. You already know what it is. Your girl Frankie Robinson is in the building. And on the line, I have none other than Jason David. Man, check this out. If you don't know who this guy is, I tell you what, your kids do. And you do too at some point. He is, you know what? I'm not even going to tell him who you are. Jason, you tell him who you are.
Can you tell him?
Yeah, go ahead, tell him.
All right. My name is Jason David Frank, the Green Ranger, White Ranger, Red Turbo, and Dino Thunder Black.
Power Rangers!
I'm the Mighty Morphin Power Ranger.
Yes!
That's right.
Trust me when I tell you. Trust me when I tell you, all parents thank you.
You're welcome.
We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I asked my son what he wanted to be when he grew up, and he told me a Power Ranger, and this when he was like 4 years old. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, no.
Now, the show has been on for quite some time. You're still a part of the cast. No, it's over with. There's a reunion. Talk about that.
Yep, it's 20 years, but not stopping there. Next year, 2014, I'll be on Super Mega Force. Green Ranger returns. Be on Nickelodeon, so you guys can tune in to Nickelodeon and check out those episodes.
Yes. Back for more. I don't think Power Rangers will ever go away or out of style. I think Power Rangers are now, it's like a staple.
Now, for sure. And you know, the crazy thing is people ask why I promote the Green Ranger or why I endorse it. For some reason, the Green Ranger's become some, like, world icon. I think, personally, like, I loved Wolverine, I loved X-Men, and what we're working on is kind of its own little branch there. I'm talking to Saban about doing, like, a more PG-13 Green Ranger movie for, you know, some of that genre, the older fans, and I think Green Ranger is kind of like Wolverine. I think it can hold its own brand and take care of it, but because of, you know, and of course the White Ranger's getting out there a lot more too, Hot Topics and all the other places, but you know, it's kind of cool to have to be some like world icon superhero, kind of like, you know, I'm on tour with all these guys like Stan Lee and William Shatner and all these guys, and I just think it's so cool to be part of that. Especially now because it's just really started kicking off for me, and I'm meeting fans pretty much around the world. And you know, the Wizard World Chicago is going to be a huge show, and I got a lot of excited fans there. And
right now, tell everybody about that for those who don't know. That's what I was leading into. You did a great job. Thanks.
All right. Well, Wizard World, it's you know, kind of like a Comic-Con. You can meet all your favorite celebrities. This is a huge lineup. You know, you can go to wizardworld.com and see the lineup, and I guarantee that you'll definitely see a fan. I mean, a celebrity, you know, that you will definitely want to meet. It's a huge lineup. I'm just happy to be part of the main card. And what goes on at Wizard World is I have, you know, a free karate class for the kids called Power Hour on Sunday. So bring your kids. Autograph signing, Q&As, meet and greets. But that's just not me. Even if you're not a fan of Power Rangers, you have to check out this lineup. I mean, when I looked at it, I was like, oh,
me
man.
too.
Oh, you know.
Me too.
There's too many to list. It's just a ton of celebrities.
Well, my son and myself, we will definitely be there all of the days that Comic-Con will be here. And for those who don't know, tell them a little bit more about you outside of Power Rangers. People don't know that you're like a MMA champion.
Yeah, I started my MMA career a couple of years ago. I continue training. A lot of people are asking me when I'm going to fight next. I continue training, staying sharp. It's just this year I've you know, really overbooked the shows. I'm pretty much everywhere. It was funny. Someone on Facebook said, "Hey, you're like Superman, man. As soon as I turn into your page, you know, you're gone and you're somewhere else." You could find a lot of information out on my Facebook, Jason David Frank official fan page. Like it. Stay active. I got fitness tips. It's just a crazy, wild page. Also, I'm filming a reality show this year called It's My Morphin Life. And, you know, we cover the 20th year anniversary show. We just had a huge Power Hour dinner a couple days ago with all the other cast members. And I'm filming in Muay Thai. Got a master who's called Arjan in Muay Thai. Filmed a world record, skydiving world record by Guinness. I'm kind of all over there, and you know, I did a movie a few years ago called One Warrior, and I did it with James Russo because of Dominic Keating from Star Trek, and that just got released. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and I'm just excited to really meet my fans. I mean, the fans make things happen. So,
yeah.
the biggest part of my life right now is social media and reaching out and letting the fans know who I am. I mean, I would say someone named it really good the other day, the passion behind the mask. And, there's more to it than just looking at the helmet. There's a whole different person inside. And, I embrace my fans. Fans either call me Tommy, Dr. Oliver, or JDF. You can call me what you want, just don't call me bad names. But yeah, and one other thing about the Wizard World that I didn't mention, not just your celebrities, tons of vendors, tons of comic books, tons of toys. I mean, it really is. If you're into the comic books or into collecting autographs, this is like the dream. It's a veteran show. It's been around for years and years, and I'm just happy to be part of it. I'm also doing the world tour next year with Wizard World. There's a ton of shows next year, and so I'm 7-0 in martial arts fighting, and I'm just out there and trying to save the world, I guess, is the great
It looks like you're doing it. And I feel like you're well on your way to go even further. I want to come out and meet you. What day will you be at Comic-Con?
I will be Thursday. We have a karate class for some of the kids downtown. You can check that out on my Facebook. I will be there all day Friday, all day Thursday when we open, all day Friday, all day Saturday, and all day Sunday. Got a lot of Q&As, a lot of panels. The signing is, 2-3 hours a day. And if you do come up, just come to the front of the line. And, I want to reassure fans, too, that, you don't have to buy anything. You can meet me. I'd love to meet you. If you like to get stuff, great. But I'm really there for the fans, and I have loyal fans, from around the world that see me numerous of times. And, I just love seeing them and meeting them, and sharing your success story is what I love to hear. We're into a highly aggressive 2013 fitness year. Right now I'm filming fitness tips for all my Facebook fans. Just stay fit, and it doesn't mean to get chiseled and look like Superman. It means just to stay fit, have more energy, and feel good about yourself. 80% is what we eat. And look, don't get me wrong, there's times when I cheat and eat. Like middle of the night, I'll have a sugar fit because I don't have sugar all day. And you know what I mean? So I think we're all on the same page, and we just continue to strive. I think just for passion and energy, and just feeling good about ourselves.
Well, I'm certainly feeling good right now. You got me amped. I can't wait to see you this weekend. Chicago, it is going down. If you don't know, find out. Check me out. It's all over my Twitter, FrankRob92. I'm posting up some stuff now. We want to thank you so much, Chicago, Jason, David, Frank, also known as the Green Ranger, a.k.a. the White Ranger, a.k.a. Tommy Oliver. Thank you so much, and we can't wait to see you this weekend.
I can't wait either. Chicago's awesome. Can't wait to be there.
And you are too.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.